Hi, here is the Fujifilm Super 1200 AZ overall conditions. And here is the battery compartment using one CR2 battery. Yep, it's like this. Wait, I'm trying to pull it up. Okay, yeah. So it's like this. Then when you want to put it inside, oops, this we need to put outside. Okay, then when we want to like change the battery, then we just pull it out. We'll do, yeah, like that. Okay. Okay. So you just pull it up and like this. When you want to lock, just push it. Yeah. Next thing, by pulling here to open the back cover, inside will be like this. And here's the film. About the film, we need to slide into it to this compartment to make sure that the motor is fit into the center part of the canister. So it's like this, then we just push the top, pull the film tip to here, like that, and make sure that your film is flat. Press it like this, okay, and we just close it. It will auto load. Okay, when it stops, and here show figure 1, which means that we have loaded the film properly. Then we can start shooting right now by clicking this. This one is the on-off button. Then here is the mode dial. You see now it's auto. Switch, this is portrait, timer, bug mode, landscape, and continuous shooting. If doesn't have any arrow, which means that it's auto mode lah. And here's the zoom in, zoom out. And here's the shutter. So when you view into the viewfinder, at the center point there got a dot, so you just use that dot to aim whatever you want to focus and half press. Okay, you see here got a green light, it light up, it doesn't blink, then which means that it's okay. Then we just click it. Hey, sorry, yeah, then we'll shoot. Okay, stay, aim. Okay, if it blink like this, which means that it can't focus or the flash doesn't ready yet. Yeah, you see here top is like blinking, so we wait for a while. Okay, like that, and we aim a bit. Okay, yeah, so it's quite simple lah. Then this is the sound function lah. You can close it lah. It will appear when like low light and you didn't open the flash, then it will like kind of like warning or something lah. Yeah, if you close it, or seems like it cannot. Okay, it can close. Yeah, then it won't have any sound anymore. Yeah. Then this one is continuous shooting, which if you didn't release the shutter, it will keep shoot. Yeah, you see. Unless I release, then it will stop. Then this one is landscape, which it will autofocus to infinity mode and will off the flash. And the same, shoot it. If it have the sound, then it will like kind of like blink or something lah. Yeah, okay, let me show you. Okay, yeah, it will have a warning sound for you to means that is this environment you need to hold it wellly because it doesn't have flash, so your shutter speed will be slow. If you like move it when you shoot, then it will be blur lah. Yeah. Then bug mode is if you didn't release the shutter, it will keep open unless I release. Yeah, this considered like professional shooting lah. Then portrait and the timer is same, half press and press it. Wait, I'll try it. Half press. Okay, when I click it, here have a red light up, which means that the timer start counting already. So we just wait for like 10 seconds. Yeah. Okay. Then overall actually it's like this. Then here is the flash function. You can set it at auto, force flash, off the flash. Then this one is auto. And I would recommend you just put it at auto will do like, yeah. And here have a button. This one actually is designed for those people who wear specs or glasses. When you view into the viewfinder, if you wear the specs, it's kind of hard to view. So you can take off your glasses Then you just look into it and adjust here until it clear, which means that it's designed for those people who wear specs. You should use this camera without wearing your specs. Yeah. And if you didn't use it, just off it will do. Yeah. And about the back here is date imprinting function, which it will print this kind of date inside your outcome. If you want to adjust, this one is the format is year, month, and date. If you want to adjust it, you just click the select button. Okay, it blinking. Then you just click the set button to the year you want. But I'm not sure until 2025 or not. Yeah, it is. Okay, 2025. Now it's January. Then the date, maybe I just simply adjust it like 17. Click select again, and you can change the mode. This one is the date and the time. And if you don't want, you just put it like this. Yeah, different format. And overall it's like this. And when you should finish, the camera will auto rewind the film into the canister. Then only you open the back cover to take out the film. Yeah, and overall it's like this. And hope you enjoy it.